Hey Ellie, you're early.
Hey!
What are you doing?
I'm looking at the Margaret Ville brochure. So I visited the show flat yesterday, and now I'm just thinking about which unit to buy.
Wow, Ellie, you're getting your own place.
I know, I'm so excited and I cannot wait. But I don't know which one. Do you want to help me with the decision? I'll tell you more about it.
Sure.
I got an invitation from Singapore Realtors Incorporation to visit the show flat, and I must say, I'm really impressed by what I saw. Margaret Ville uses Baltic grey marble imported from Turkey for the flooring, a good indication that MCL will spare no expenses to ensure the quality delivered. Top consumer grade appliances are fully provided. Integrated fridge from Fisher & Paykel, Miller cookware for the kitchen that displays a modern feel. The bathrooms are built using black forest marble for their sink tops, walls and floorings are laid with silver mink marble, all imported from Italy, which exhibits the luxurious mark of the property. The room's floorings are laid with engineered timber, which gives the place a nice and cozy texture. All cabinets are intelligently designed to provide ample storage, complete with shelving and drawers. The balcony's size is just right. It can comfortably sit 2 to 4 people, and I can imagine myself sipping a glass of red wine here in the evening. Another factor that appealed to me is its close proximity to my office, and it's only a few minutes drive to Orchard. It's within walking distance to Queenstown MRT, which is a huge plus. This is indeed a luxurious and exclusive condo by renowned developer MCL Land, with years of commitment to quality and brand assurance.
Wow, sounds good. I want to bring my family to go have a look as well.
Really? That would be great. We can be neighbors. I'll introduce my agent to you.
Sure.